Yeah.
Still wake up the world. We're just boys and girls. We can still wake up the world.
Welcome back to Wake Up the World Junior. I am so excited about our Bible story adventure we have for you today. You're going to love it so much. We are also going to sing, dance, and get to spend some time with Miss Tracy baking some yummy treats. Have so much fun, friends.
His love will never quit. His love will never run away. Even when I get upset, His love is still forgiving me. And it's all because His love isn't just a little bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. His love will never quit. His love will never run away. Even when I get upset, His love is still forgiving me. And it's all because His love isn't just a little bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. A little bit, a lot of it, a little bit, a lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. Yeah.
Hi, Miss Shannon.
Oh, hey, Miss Bree, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Good. You telling
Good.
the Bible story today?
Yes, I am. I'm so excited.
Yeah, well, I just finished getting my studio ready, so
Okay.
if you want to go on in.
Okay.
Uh-huh. I can't wait for her to see what I did in there.
Wait, what? I'm a cartoon. Miss Shannon? Guys? Well, I guess this is how we're telling the story today. This should be fun.
Our Bible story today is about a man named Lazarus. Before we get started with the story, here are a couple things you should know. He had two sisters, Mary and Martha. He was Jesus' friend, and he was very, very sick. That's where our story today begins. Lazarus was so sick. His sisters were very worried, so they sent word to Jesus to let him know. When Jesus got the message, he said, "This sickness will not end in death. It is going to be a chance to show God's glory." Jesus loved Mary, Martha, and Lazarus. 2 days after he received the message, he told the disciples that they would all go to travel to be with them. The disciples questioned him and reminded him that there were people in Judea that wanted to kill him. Jesus told them they were still going and that Lazarus had died. When he arrived, he found Lazarus had already been dead for 4 days. There were many family and friends there to be with Mary and Martha and to comfort them for their brother's death. Martha said, "Master, if you would have been here, my brother wouldn't have died. Even now, I know that whatever you ask God, he will give you." Jesus said, "Your brother will live." Mary and Martha showed Jesus the tomb where they put their brother. Jesus cried. He loved his friends so much. Everyone cried. There were people around that didn't like Jesus. They talked between themselves about how Jesus could have saved Lazarus if he would have arrived sooner. They questioned whether Jesus really loved his friend. Jesus was angry at their attitudes. He walked toward the tomb and said, "Remove the stone." The sisters questioned Jesus, but did what he said. The stone was rolled away. Jesus looked up to heaven and prayed, "Father, thank you for listening to me. I know you always listen. Let these people standing around believe that you sent me." Then he shouted to the tomb where Lazarus had been dead for 4 days already. He shouted at the tomb, "Lazarus, come out!" And he came out. He walked out of the tomb. Many people around saw what happened and put their faith in him.
What?
Let's get together and chit-chat, chit-chat.
Hi, friends. Look who I have with me today.
Hey, it's me, Mr. Rob.
And it's me, Miss Carrie.
And Miss Chelsea. I'm so glad you're all here to chit-chat with me today.
Me too, Miss Bree. I'm excited to chit-chat about our story today. We saw Jesus do something amazing today.
Jesus loved his friend Lazarus so much. In our story today, Lazarus died. Everyone was so sad, including Jesus. Everyone cried. Show me your saddest face ever.
But you know what? Jesus wanted all the people around to know that God was so powerful and he loved them so much. And he even told Lazarus to come to life, and he did. So show me your most surprised face now. Good job.
Our remember verse this month is, "A friend loves at all times." Proverbs 17:17. Ooh, can you do it with us? Let's try it again. A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17. We're all friends, and we can love at all times just like Jesus.
Jesus loved his friends in this story so much, and he loves me, and he loves you, and you, and you, and you, and you. So fun. Bye, friends. Oh, no. Where'd Mr. Ron go?
Oh.
Bye.
My messy hair, my silly faces, my goofy grin, my funny dances. My messy hair, my silly faces, my goofy grin, my funny dances. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. When I get scared, you make me braver. You are my friend forever. When I get scared, you make me braver. You are my friend forever. Oh, I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. Yeah. All right. Hey, who knows where your head is? What about your shoulders? Can you point to your knees and your toes? Awesome, let's do it together. My head and shoulders, knees and toes. He loves everything about me. My eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
And now it's time for In the Kitchen with Miss Tracy.
Hi friends, Miss Tracy here, and today I get to do our baking segment with you. The cookie that I chose for today is going to have a little bit of Valentine flair because Valentine's is such a fun day. First things first, you can use any cake mix flavor that you like. Chocolate is really my favorite with this recipe. So we're going to start with our cake mix. And Miss Tracy's going to cut my vanilla cake mix open, dump it into my bowl. So our next ingredient is eggs. Our recipe calls for 2. So we're gonna crack our eggs. That one came out handy dandy. No shells, I did well. I wanted to make sure that we had some pretty pink color for our Valentine cookies. That's looking good, so Miss Tracy's gonna start scooping this in. So I have got the perfect shade of pink, so we're just gonna let it mix a little bit longer. So, can you believe how many sprinkles I have? Because they do just make baking more fun. And then we're gonna mix it up, and then your batter is all ready to go. See how sticky and gooey it looks? It reminds me of Laffy Taffy that's been sitting out in the sun for a little bit. And then we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for... Okay friends, our batter is all ready. I want you to take a peek. Isn't it pretty? Sprinkles and pink. And we're gonna start scooping. Now, I've done this recipe at home with my granddaughter Eloise, and she's 3.5 years old. So parents of preschoolers, don't be afraid to let them get in and get all sticky. She had a great time with this recipe. So, we're gonna go ahead and get these covered. Now, another thing you can do for Valentine's Day is share these with a friend or family member. Our motto here is wake the world up to Jesus, and what better way to do that than to do something kind for someone? It would be perfect for Valentine's Day or any day. We have 12 here on our pan, and you bake them for 13 minutes. So Miss Tracy's gonna get these ready and put them into her oven. Okay friends, our cookies are done. They've been setting on our pan cooling for 10 minutes. Ta-da! They look like a pink crinkle cookie. Do you see the sprinkles in them? I see some purple and some pink sprinkles. I had so much fun with you today. I hope you have a great week, and I hope you have a special Valentine's Day. Mwah. Love you. Bye-bye.
That was so much fun. I loved having an adventure in Miss Shannon's art studio and seeing how much Jesus loves his friends. Jesus loves his friends, and Jesus loves me. In Chit Chat today, you heard our Remember verse. Let's practice it together one more time before we say goodbye. A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17. Great job, friends. Bye.